Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Vashan Brown. The government is being forced to figure out new ways to use a loan from the World Bank, which is geared toward enhancing private sector competitiveness. Now, that's because private sector companies aren't taking up the money. Andrew Laidley explains why.
The government has gone back to the drawing board to determine the way forward where private sector competitiveness is concerned. In the last supplementary estimates, the finance minister slashed the budget allocation to this project, indicating that the funds were underutilized. It's been funded by a $50 million loan from the World Bank. Of that amount, $39 million was disbursed at the end of January. So far, the project has funded consultancies to several state entities, but the government says its overall performance was below projections. For example, credit to small and medium-sized enterprises came in 48% below projections of the target disbursed in January. The take-up was low because companies are getting loans at more competitive rates from alternative sources. So, going forward, the government will be using the money to finance other strategic initiatives. For example, in the upcoming financial year, money allocated for the project will be used to complete the acquisition and installation of the application management and data automation broadband network. Funding will also go towards completing the development of the National Spatial Plan platform and conducting re-engineering of the border agencies. The government also plans to set up a fund for grants to small and medium-sized enterprises. Money will also go towards completing a limestone study and continue support for the electronic land titling initiative. The original aim of the project was to assist in creating an enabling environment where private sector competitiveness can enhance growth and create new jobs. Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.
Currency trading now, well, it ended today with the US dollar selling for $142.16. The Canadian dollar is going for $107.48. The pound closed the day at $183.75, while the euro is being sold for $154.15. Now, the JC Index gained 2,384 points today, while the Junior Market Index lost 34 points. Among the winners were Siboney Group, Blue Power Group, Kingston Wharves, General Accident Insurance Company, and iCreate. On the losing side were Alaska Financial Services, MPC Caribbean Clean Energy, Stanley Motor, Caribbean Flavors and Fragrances, and T-Tech. And that's the Business Day. I am Vashan Brown. Good evening.